is leaving. He picked out his outfit this morning. Hadar picked out Raphael's outfit, but Raphael picked out the shoes.
These are boots.
These are boots?
The boots.
Yeah.
Boots.
And they match because he's wearing camo.
No, not boots.
Okay, you put it on.
Just put on.
Yes.
I want foot.
So you can put everything on except your shirt now. Let's go. Okay, apparently I forgot I had an ear cleaner in my ear, so you like my accessory. So, hey, Raphael. Careful. I'm playing with a ball. There's a soldier coming home. And he works like in combat because he's green. He loves those boots.
Meanwhile, at base,
Chocolate milk in a bag.
מקבל 2,500.
נו, וכמה מעלים?
עכשיו רשום, עברתי על זה עכשיו סתם בגלל שהוא דיבר. איזה יופי, יופי.
לא הבנתי, תסביר בעברית.
יש
נכות כמה מקבלים?
יש תוספת עכשיו מה-1 לאפריל, בסדר? של 2,000, מ-1 לאפריל עד 4.5. השכר מינימום עולה, בעקבות זה מעלים גם את הנכות, הזכאות. מי זכאי? תראה איתי רגע.
נו, כך, אני מפריד לך אותם.
הנה, הורים לילדים מקבלים קצבה לילד אחד, אז רואים שילדם תלוי בחלוטין,
בן אדם שם 4.
אתה שם הפוך, ככה מה?
לא משנה, סתם יצא ככה. Really?
תראה בן אדם, מה אתה רוצה? מי אמור לקחת את זה?
תיאבון, פתחתי את העסק.
מה חסר פה?
פיתבורג.
הנה, פה, התחלתם מהצד הלא נכון. לא! האמת שאנחנו צריכים לשים את ההחמניות שלנו.
Okay, Hadar's trip today that he's going on, it's in a lot where we live, so it's not really a vacation for people who live here because they can do it, you know, any weekend. But basically it's for the mandatory soldiers because they don't get to, you know, they get paid about $100 a month, and they're mandatory for 3 years. The women are mandatory for 2. You know, they don't get a lot of perks, so they do go on trips a lot. And this is going to be like a 2-day trip for them, so it's going to be fun. Yes. I do think Hadar needs a vacation and the other NCOs because they do work hard and they haven't really had a vacation this year. Last year Hadar didn't go, but they had a cruise. I think he went the year before, I'm not sure. It was probably the year before because I wasn't vlogging them, but I do have footage of it. I can show sometime, some of it, because there were some women dancing naked. It wasn't their people, but they went on a cruise to Cyprus, and it was really beautiful. And they had, well, it was 3 of them in a little tiny room, which they're used to, you know, and they're used to not getting much sleep. But that was the last trip that he was on, so. And 3 of the NCOs just went to Thailand, but it wasn't paid for. You know, they paid for it themselves. It's very cheap to go to Thailand and one other place, I think, in Europe, and that's where usually they have their vacations. Thailand is beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
לא, תסגר איתם, אין בעיה.
הלוחש לו להבות.
איזה מקל אחי, לא לך? חכה!
היי!
חדר הביצועים.
המצלול.
יאללה בוא.
תראה, כאילו הזה כבר עומד כמה ימים על הספינה הזאת. לא זזה. איזה יפה, אחי. איזה יפה.
This is where everyone's gonna be sitting, and I feel more like a boat crew. Well, I've been feeling like a trip crew, you know, a staff member of some sort of amusement trip, whatever, entertainment team. We're basically doing anything but having fun. This is a squadron trip, and the mandatory soldiers are the ones that enjoy it. Basically, we do everything for them. They come in, they just do their thing. They dance, they eat, they drink, they make fun, have fun and make fun of people. They do everything freely, you know, they just walk in and it's already good and ready for them. That's everything that we're doing behind the scenes.
Look at that. He's got his Viking boots on. Thor swinging. Okay. It's a super clear day out today. You can see right through there, but I don't have the car today. I'm gonna be a little daredevil and jump out of it. He's turning into a boy now, a little boy, and not a baby.
Mommy,
Yeah,
it's ready.
yeah. Go face first. You'll go face
Hi,
first?
Daddy. Mommy,
Yeah,
Daddy.
Daddy. Bars. That picture of the kitty all the time. He says that. No hands. We're gonna go up and get some chicken. That's what I always say when we go upstairs. We have to go up. Hadar works really hard, you know, and I really appreciate that because I met him on a video game. You don't know people in real life when you meet them on a video game. I mean, I know more about him than like normal people in relationships know about each other, but you don't really know how a person is gonna be. So I'm glad that he has a good work ethic. And that was a lot of stairs. I wanna show you, he did this all by himself. He couldn't get the end of it, and that's really hard, and I wasn't able to too, either, until I looked it up. He did so good. Look, he even got this part together. Wow. Very good, Rafael. Very proud of you.
Oops.
Oops, I mean, yeah. Yay! His grandpa got this for him, Hadar's dad, at IKEA. This is a pretty awesome train set. And I believe you can buy more tracks and make it like the room size if you wanted to. This is big enough. Is this big enough?
Frina.
You want Foina?
You're Princess Frina.
Princess Foina?
You're Shrek. You're
Shrek.
Donkey.
And Donkey? Yeah, I like Donkey. You want to watch Donkey?
You watch Donkey.
And Shrek. Are you tired? That tired come over you?
Frina.
Foina, okay.
Quest, we're gonna climb.
Yeah, we're watching Mondays with Mr. Fox. Turn it on, Daddy.
Is y'all intense?
What happened? I think he's Doesn't really know. Are you done? Are you all done?
Call of Duty COD. COD is Call of Duty and COD. Get it?
Uh-huh.
Ah! Hey! Lagerblad! Bilpeppar! Sal! Grädde! Och majo! Aubergine! Lyft ut fisken. Fyra skivor.
I'm trying to get back to vlogging, and pretty much the only advice I would have to give for vlogging or doing anything that you really want to do is to just do it, and don't wait for the perfect situation or anything to be perfect, because it never will. Rafael,
He's talking to me.
you talking to me? You talking to me?
You talk to me.
You talk to me?
Talk to me.
I'm talking to you.
It's our puppy.
That's not a puppy, it's a fox.
He's not a fox.
Yeah, where's your puppy that Jana gave you? Can you go get your puppy?
Oh, my little puppy. Oh, puppy on the bed.
Yeah, the puppy and the water and food for the puppy.
Oh, the food on the puppy.
Yeah, the water and the food.
Oh, food on the puppy. The food already.
Go get your new puppy.
No puppy?
Yeah,
Oh, the bedroom. Oh, Daddy.
it's in the bedroom.
Bedroom, said Daddy.
It's in the bedroom, said Daddy. He's enthralled, but he got the wrong one. He got Muckluck and Silver. 3 minutes later.
Puppy. Puppy. Muckluck.
That's Silver.
Muckluck.
Silver.
Muckluck.
Muckluck.
Are you intensified?
Right?
Intensified.
Silver.
Silver?
Muckluck.
Silver. Muckluck.
Silver.
Oh no, Ma. Silver?
Muckluck.
No, this is silver.
Silver. Muckluck.
Yes.
It's Muckluck. One's a cat and one's a dog.
I want a fun dog.
Zeb never watched TV, but when he came in the living room to watch TV, it would always be commercials. Like, he would run to watch commercials. I would do that as well when I was a kid, when Michael Jackson had those Pepsi commercials. So, yeah. But Raphael's starting to sit down and watch TV with us, which is kind of weird. Like, he's turning into a little boy instead of a baby now. And he's paying attention. And Kitty agrees. You agree? Great. She's like, where's my fish? All right, we're gonna call it a night. Hope y'all have a good day.
Good night.
Right.
Good night. Thank you.
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share. Fully Living. Good job.
Heavy.
Oh, that's too heavy.
Heavy.
And we send him to his room. That's his timeout. I think it looks pretty good.
My belly grows so big now that I can horseback right in with my belly. You're heavy, aren't you?